Hello everybody, it's Mick from Jester Bushcraft again, and we're back inside the camper van. Now, since doing my last video on the overhead storage using the cargo net and the utility bar as it's now known, I've come up with a few other ideas, so I just wanted to show you those to show you how versatile that little bar, which you might be able to see behind me, what uses it has. So I'm just going to go through a few of those now. If you can think of any, please let me know in the comments below. Right, let's crack on. Okay, so there's the utility bar there. And what I've done is I've just slid the cargo net across, and you've got to imagine that my Amdro camper conversion is in the back there. It isn't at the moment, it's just in storage. But if I was out on my own in the camper van, what could I use that utility bar for? Well, my first idea was coat hanger. I can hang my clothes that I need for the overnighter or the weekend down one side, either that side or the other side, depending on which side of the camper van I'm sitting on. So I mean, you get quite a lot of storage up there hanging. And then that got me thinking. I thought, well, if I've been washing up and it's raining outside and I might want to just dry my tea towel, you can use one of those. I think they're meant for trousers, those coat hangers with the little clips on either end, and those clips are adjustable. They'll move up and down that bar, so I can maybe dry a tea towel, something like that. So those were the first ideas I had. Okay, so just going back to the storage net, I just wanted to point something out. Because this utility bar is situated so high up in the roof space, you can see there's like a recess. So this cargo net is actually up and out of the way. When I'm sat in the driving seat and I look out the rear view mirror, I can't even see this. It's completely out of the way. So I mean, it's great. It's storage that's just up and out of the way. And when I've got my camper conversion in situ, that's not going to get in the way as regards headroom. So I just wanted to point that out, because I don't know whether it came across in the last video. Well, it can be used for this. It can be used for attaching my phone to the utility bar, so I can, I don't know, watch a video or watch something on YouTube, or I can use it as I'm doing here, just recording myself using the phone, hands-free. And not just the phone, of course. I can also use it for attaching the GoPro. If ever I want to do any videos just sat at the table talking to camera, I can set up the GoPro like that, move it anywhere along the utility bar, whether it be down that end or down this end. And of course I can add extra bits on there to alter the angle of the GoPro, so it can be used as a GoPro mount as well. You can also get these great little rubberized bendy sort of metal tie things that you can shape to whatever you want. So you can make some utility hooks there to go on the utility bar, and you can hang things like your head torch or whatever you fancy. I just wanted to demonstrate again how if you've got something reasonably heavy in the lower section of the cargo net, you've still got this space up above to put your jackets, and you can see how it just separates them. The weight of this one just brings that shelf a bit lower down, and it just keeps the two separate. Right, so here's another variation on the cargo net storage. Still got the existing storage there, but I ended up buying the 120 by 60 cargo net. And what I've done is I've just made a bungee loop there, which I've wrapped around the utility bar, and then I fed it through one of the clips that came with the cargo net, but rather than attaching the clip to the cargo net, I've attached the clip to this bungee loop. So now I can unclip that cargo net and position that wherever I want. I mean, I could fit it here in between, just wrap it round, and it doesn't get in the way of the other cargo net. So I've secured it at the other side. You can now see it goes full length of the vehicle. And if I can just zoom in on this bit here, I've just attached another bungee loop, which is just on a knot like that, and that just fits in there. And again, that can be unclipped, and I can just leave the loop where it is. So that is the full length of the vehicle. Now granted, it's a little bit pointless because I've already got this modutop shelving unit on mine, which has loads of storage up above there, including the vents. But if you didn't have that, this could be used. And again, because it's full length, this is going to be reasonably saggy, but that doesn't mean to say you can't store things up there out of the way, just lightweight stuff like towels or clothes, t-shirts, or anything you like really. So that's one way of doing it. Let's see if we can find another way of arranging this cargo net. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to unclip that from there, remove that like that, and what I'm going to do now is just reattach that here like that, and reattach the cargo net. Like that. So what I've done is I've now removed the bungee loop from there. I've just reattached it here in the middle, reattached the cargo net, and if we go to the other end, so at the other end I've just used the little elasticated loop, and I've attached it around the clip on the sun visor. The other one is attached in the same way with the elasticated loop just wedged in there, and that gives you a cargo net just running down the one side of the vehicle, full length, but it now keeps the overhead storage free. You could also run the similar down this side. Obviously it's single layer, it's full length, so it's going to be quite saggy, but you can still store things up there. And I'm sat in the passenger seat now, and my head is just touching, you can see that, just touching there. So it's not going to be completely in the way. If you had stuff stored in there, you can put maybe a light sleeping bag up there, or towels, or anything you like really. It's just another option. So that's the 120 by 60 centimetre cargo net, and I might just play around with the attachment loops and see if I can get them in better positions, and see if I can find better ways to hang the cargo net. So there you have it. That's my coat hanger, washing line, GoPro mount, kit hanger and cargo net support utility pole in all its glory. Those are the ideas I've come up with so far. I'm sure I'll come up with some more, and hopefully you'll be able to come up with some too. If you do, please leave a comment below. I'll be interested to hear your ideas and maybe put them in the next video. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.